Huina heavy duty 12 channel, lead wheel dump truck. Rich details, exquisite workmanship. Alloy material truck bed bottom, 1 to 14 realistic scale, bright top lights and headlights, 2.4G remote control, independent suspension, not afraid of rough terrain. Full vehicle shock absorption, reduced vibration stable control, scenario simulation, large capacity for carrying sand and gravel, realistics on the facts, light and sound reverse prompt, automatic lock, opens automatically when the cab lifts. Hardcore low capacity of about 6 kg. Proportional control of joystick movement amplitude. For wheel steering, reduced turning radius. Huina heavy duty 12 channel, lead wheel dump truck.